Advanced.
Fortgeschritten.
We live in a technologically advanced world. Annoyed.
Verärgert.
The teacher was annoyed because nobody did the homework. Annoying.
Ärgerlich.
Their children's behavior is really annoying. Aristocrat.
Aristokrat, in.
An aristocrat is a member of the aristocracy. Article.
Artikel.
I found this article in Wikipedia. Award.
Preis.
I've never won an award, have you? Billionaire.
Milliardär, in.
The first space tourist was an American billionaire. Bored.
Gelangweilt.
I'm bored, let's do something fun. Boring.
Langweilig.
The film was so boring I fell asleep. Box office.
Theaterkasse.
The Philosopher's Stone made over $970 million at the box office. Businessman.
Geschäftsmann.
He's a successful American businessman. Catch.
Erwischen.
Did you catch any fish today? Character.
Charakter, zum Beispiel in einem Film.
My favorite Star Wars character is Princess Leia. Cost.
Kosten.
My new jacket cost a fortune. Crisis.
Krise.
The economic crisis affected my business. Disappointed.
Enttäuscht.
My sister was disappointed because she missed the party. Disappointing.
Enttäuschend.
Our holiday was disappointing because the hotel was awful. Draw.
Unentschieden, zum Beispiel Ergebnis in einem Fußballspiel.
Neither of us lost the game. It was a draw. Dress.
Kleid.
My cousin is a successful dress designer. Dyslexic.
Legasthenisch.
As a child, I was dyslexic and couldn't read well. Excited.
Aufgeregt.
My son is very excited about his birthday. Exciting.
Aufregend.
Life in New York is very exciting. Fascinated.
Fasziniert.
I've always been fascinated by wax models. Fish.
Fisch.
Did you fish for salmon? Fisherman.
Fischer.
It took the fisherman 4 hours to catch the tuna. Fortune.
Vermögen.
He made a fortune with his fishing business. Founding.
Gründend.
George Harrison was a founding member of the Beatles. Frightened.
Verängstigt.
Marie Tussaud was frightened during the French Revolution. Guillotine.
Guillotine.
Marie Antoinette was guillotined during the French Revolution. Hijacker.
Entführer, in.
A hijacker took control of the plane. Housekeeper.
Haushälterin.
Marie's mother worked as a housekeeper. Inherit.
Erben.
He's going to inherit a fortune now that his uncle has died. Lifelike.
Lebensecht.
We queued for hours to see a lifelike wax model of the US president. Lose.
Verlieren.
Did you lose the match again? Mask.
Maske.
She made an animal mask for the party. Member.
Mitglied.
Are you a member of the club? Mexico.
Mexiko.
They live in a small fishing town in Mexico. Millionaire.
Millionär, in.
She became a millionaire when she was 20. Obviously.
Offensichtlich.
Obviously, we didn't meet Prince Harry at the museum. Parking ticket.
Strafzettel, für falsches Parken.
If you park here, you may get a parking ticket. Pass.
Bestehen, zum Beispiel eine Prüfung.
I don't think I'll pass my exam. Queue.
Warteschlange.
We waited in a queue for hours just to buy a ticket. Reopen.
Neu eröffnen.
The museum will reopen next Saturday. Repair.
Reparieren.
It cost $27 million to repair the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Revolution.
Revolution.
When did the French Revolution start? Russian.
Russisch, Russe, Russin.
Who is the Russian Prime Minister these days? Siesta.
Siesta.
I love having a siesta after lunch. Slovenia.
Slowenien.
The conference took place in Slovenia. Soldier.
Soldat, in.
My great-grandfather was a soldier in the British Army. Surprising.
Überraschend.
It is surprising that the Wax Museum is still popular today. Switzerland.
Schweiz.
We moved to Switzerland when I was a kid. Tired.
Müde.
I'm tired because I couldn't sleep last night. Tiring.
Ermüdend.
The game of tennis was long and tiring. Tuna.
Thunfisch.
Tuna is my favorite fish. Wax.
Wachs.
Have you ever been to a wax museum? Waxworks.
Wachsfiguren.
The waxworks are so lifelike. Worldwide.
Weltweit.
The Harry Potter films were a success worldwide.